So often, people seem entirely overwhelmed at the idea of making cocktails and have no idea where to start. The thing is, most classic cocktails are actually really simple, usually just 3 or 4 fairly easy to source ingredients. And the trick is really in balancing them properly and using the correct techniques to make sure that you're consistently turning out really good versions of those drinks. Here, I'm going to show you how to make 2 absolute crowd pleasers, the paloma and the cosmopolitan. The paloma is so easy to make, it's built in the glass, no shaking necessary. First, we need to rim the glass with salt. This is optional, but it does really enhance the drink in my opinion. And if you're making it for others, then you can do a half salt rim and that way they can decide. You'll need 20 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 10 ml or 1/3 of an ounce of agave or sugar syrup, 60 ml or 2 ounces of blanco tequila, and then either around 60 ml or 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice and a little bit of soda water to top, or about 90 ml or 3 ounces of a good quality grapefruit soda. Add all of your ingredients to your rim glass and give it a little taste. If it's too sweet, then add some more acid, meaning lime juice, or if it's too tart, then add a little more agave or sugar syrup. Add ice and garnish with a grapefruit wedge. Perfect for a sunny afternoon. Enjoy! Our next drink is potentially one of the most well-known cocktails of the modern era, the Cosmo. You'll need 45 ml or 1.5 ounce of vodka, 20 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur, 20 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and 20 ml or 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice. Add all of your ingredients to your shaker tin, fill with ice and shake hard. Double strain using a strainer to hold your ice back in the shaker tin and pour through the fine strainer into a coupe or martini glass. Removing all the ice chips will stop them melting in the finished drink and making it watery. Garnish with a dehydrated lime wheel. This is a really easy garnish which can be prepared ahead of time and looks great. If that worked up a thirst for you, then there's plenty more where that came from. I've put together a comprehensive bartending course in collaboration with International Open Academy. Of course, we'll look at covering some more of the key classic cocktails, but also just build on those fundamentals of flavor and balance and make sure that you have the confidence to make a drink that you've never made before, or even to start coming up with your own creations. We'll also be taking a more holistic look at how to be a good host and make sure that your guest gets the best experience possible. So, if you're thinking of becoming a professional bartender or even just want to elevate your home cocktail game, then click on the link below.